Okay, mi gente, let's get started with this Asopao de Gandules. It's pigeon pea soup. Ooh, this you're gonna enjoy this recipe, guys. You're gonna enjoy it. So here, as you can see, I'm removing the skin from smoked turkey leg, guys. Smoked turkey. Look at the beauty of that. Look at the beauty of that. All right, so we're gonna start cutting this into bite size. And while we doing this, guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? What you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, that like button, also that bell icon, guys, that's going to let you know every time I upload a new video, so you could get what, guys? You could get what? That front seat, okay? All right, guys, so here, as you can see, I add a little bit of olive oil, and we are going to be sauteing our smoked turkey. You know, you could use smoked ham, and you could also use hard salami. It's all preference here, guys. So here, as you can see, look at that beauty. Look at the color of that smoked turkey. Here I added some fresh thyme. You could add fresh oregano. I added some diced onion, and we are going to continue. I'm making my soup in the caldero. We call this pot caldero because I want to build like this brownness of it by sauteing my veggies and everything that you're going to see here. I added some bell pepper, red and green. Look at the beauty, guys. Look at the beauty. And the smell. Oof. It was so good, so good. So here I'm adding some sofrito. Again, if you don't know how to make sofrito, the recipe link is below. Go check it out. It's very simple, guys. And it's awesome to always have some sofrito in your fridge, because I'm telling you, it makes your life much easier, I promise. So here I added some fresh cilantro. I'm adding some crushed garlic. You see the brownness in the bottom of the pot? That's what I want right there. There's nothing but flavor, and you're gonna see. So here I added a half a cup of parboiled rice. We're gonna roast the rice a little bit with the flavors. I want that flavor to just sink in that rice. I'm telling you, it makes a world of different. And here comes the pigeon peas, the gandules. Look at that beauty. Look at how beautiful that is, guys. Look at that. So here I'm adding an envelope of chicken bouillon, some black pepper. And if you want to use, if you got chicken stock already, guys, you use chicken stock. You don't have to use the envelope. I'm adding some cumin, some ground cumin. And continue. And the whole time, guys, I'm cooking this on medium low. Here, that is the skin from the garlic. I don't know how it got in there. So I just removed it, but it's nothing but flavor, guys. So here I got garlic powder and some onion powder. Okay, as you can see, nothing but flavor here, guys. A lot of ingredients, salt free. Okay. Now I added, I think it was like 8 cups of water in total. So I added 1 can of those gandules, guys. But if you want to add 2 cans, I wasn't making a huge pot of this soup, so that's why I only used 1 can. But if you got a bigger family, go ahead and use 2 cans of the pigeon peas, guys. So here I'm adding some olives. You know, Puerto Ricans, we like those olives, guys. Some chopped up carrots. So while that is continue to boil, here I have pumpkin. All right, I like to add pumpkin to my asopao, to my soup. And when I tell you, pumpkin gives it Such a unique flavor, such a good flavor. Plus, pumpkin is good for you. A lot of fiber. Nothing but goodness here, guys. Nothing but goodness here. Look at the size, okay? And this, the pumpkin, guys, you put it in the soup, and as it cooks, it's gonna start disappearing because it's gonna come apart, but it's gonna become part of your broth. And I'm so telling you guys. You see the color on that soup? That's from that brownness, So here I have, this is how we used to do in our house. I have banana leaves. You could find this like in the Spanish supermarket, like in the freezer area. And now I'm going to lay 2 pieces of the banana leaf over it, cover it, and let it start cooking. And while that is cooking and boiling, now here I have 1 green banana and 1 green plantains. 1 and 1. 1 and 1. All right. So here we're going to start peeling. And basically you do the same. You peel both of them the same way. As you can see, I'm making a long slit cut on there. And carefully, guys, carefully with the knife, carefully. Start removing the skin. And if you have a lot, when you're doing bananas or green plantains and you have a lot of them, just have a bowl with warm water and just put them in a little bit of salt and put them in there after you make the slit. Let them sit in that warm water with the slit in it. Come back like 5 minutes later and the skin comes out so easy with no problems. Okay, so we are going to cut these into bite size. Now here I got my food processor. I'm adding some cilantro here. I'm adding some garlic. I added two cloves of garlic, 1 for each. That's how I do it, 1 for each banana or plantain. I'm adding some black pepper. We're making what we call Bolitas de Guineos. It's like this green plantain, green banana balls that we add to our soup. And I'm telling you guys, this is a game changer. This makes it so good. So I like to season them before I put them inside the soup. So you want them to be ground up like that. As you can see, this is the dough. No water, nothing added, guys. No water. You don't need no water when you just put it in shop and mix real quick and you blend it up. There's no water in that. This is the texture that you're looking for right here. And if you have a wajo, what they call the shredder, you could shred it in the wajo. But I find this more easy. And here on my sauté, I just season it with some salt. I'm not adding a lot of salt to stuff right now because you already know, especially when it's soup, toward the getting close to the end, I like to taste it. And then I decide how much more ingredients I'm going to add. Remember, you could always add, but taking away ingredients, that's going to be a little bit harder. So here, this is where you make your own choice, how big you want your balls to be. All right? So I'm making it, a nice size, as you can see. You see that? That's what you want. That's the texture you want. Look. It doesn't come apart or anything. That is exactly what you want right there. Okay? All right, guys. Look at this. So we're going to put those in the fridge. And this has been cooking for a good 20 minutes. Now I'm going to remove the banana leaf, guys. And the reason we use banana leaf, I like that flavor, that smoky banana flavor, since we are already adding the green banana balls. And it all comes together, guys. Look at the beauty. Look at that beauty. I know you want to scoop right now. I know you do. But we're not done yet, guys. We're not done yet. But look at how beautiful that soup is already looking. All right. Look at all those colors how come together, the flavors. So here I tasted the soup. I decided I'm going to add me some more sofrito. I'm adding an envelope of the ham flavor, but you could use chicken, another chicken bouillon. It's all up to you, all preference. Here I'm crushing some whole oregano. And here, guys, I'm only using half a can of the tomato soup. Only half a can. Now, if you was making more soup than this, I would do the whole can. Or you could use the whole can. It's all preference, guys. You taste it, you decide, okay? Here I'm adding a little bit of adobo. And y'all already know I like my garlic chili paste. You know, I like kicks, especially in soup. But it's all preference. You could add any hot sauce you like, or if you don't like no hot sauce, no spicy, you could leave it out. It is all up to you, guys. All up to you. Here goes the green banana balls. Look how beautiful they are. And guys, these balls, actually, you could make a whole bunch of them and freeze them and have them ready to go whenever you are ready. Because you could boil these balls and eat them with other stuff, with meats. And I mean, the possibilities are endless. And how do you know when they're ready? They come to the surface just like that. You see how they are in the surface? That's letting you know that they are done. They are cooked. And you see, let me show you right here. Do you see the pumpkin? No. It had dissolved, guys. That pumpkin has dissolved. It had, I'm telling you, this soup came out so good. So good. And oh my God, I enjoyed it. Let me tell you what happened to me, okay? I took that first spoon and it was so delicious. I was so eager to eat the green banana bowls, guy, and I burned my mouth really bad. So please don't do what I did. I know it's good. I know it's exciting. But take your time, guys. I added some avocado to my soup and some more fresh cilantro, as you could see, guys. And delicious. Voila. Okay? Thank you again for stopping by, guys. I appreciate each one of you. Don't forget to hit that like button for me and that subscribe button and also that bell icon. And I will see you in the next recipe. Have a wonderful day.